to that. They play to that. If you roll a 7 off the bat, you win. So you bet $1 to play. Bet $1 to play. And you roll a 7, they give you 2 back. It's 1-to-1 payouts. That means you profit $1 if you bet $1. And not only that, they sweeten the pot a little bit more. They say, if you win a 7 or if you roll an 11, you also win. So what's the chance of rolling a 7 or 11 off the bat? 8 out of 36. It's those 2 plus those 6. 8 out of 36. And that's the ways to win. But that's not the only way to win. That's the way to win on your first roll. Everybody, if you will, what's 8 and 36? 8 and 36 is 4 9s, 22%. Everybody grab your 2 dice right now. Let's see how we do on the come out roll. You ready? Everybody roll. Who got a 7 or 11? 7 or 11? I got snake eyes. 7 or 11. Oh crap. 1 and 20. That's terrible. Do it again. Double fours. I got 6 that time. I'm still in the game technically. 7 or 11 on the first roll? Okay, that's a lot. Now we're starting to average out a little bit there. There we go. Do it again. We would expect about 22% of us, 4 the hard way. 7 or 11? Okay, now we're starting to see that was an outlier in the first one, I think. Roll one more time. 9. 7 or 11 on the first roll? Okay, now we're starting to see a little bit more normal behavior. Okay, good. But that's not the only way to win. Now, how do you lose on the first roll? Snake eyes, boxcars, or a 3. 3, 2, or 12, you lose. But what if you don't roll a 2, a 3, a 12, a 7, or an 11? What if you roll everything else? Has anybody played cards before? Nobody's played. Okay, so I have all the instructions written down. Mike, go.
Don't you have to try to match that number?
Yes! So I just rolled on my last roll a 9. A 9 does not win automatically because it's not a 7 or 11. It also doesn't lose automatically because it's not a 2, 3, or 12. If I roll a 9, what I then have to do is I keep rolling until one of 2 things happens. Either I get another 9, in which case I win my $2, or I roll a 7, in which case I lose. And that's what makes the friggin' game so awesome. That's what makes the friggin' game so awesome. I forget what that's called. There's the come out roll, the points. It's called the point. You roll and it's something other than snake eyes, 3, 12, 7, or 11. And it's called your point. You have to match your point before rolling a 7. If you do, you win your $2. Now we're about to figure out, I think we have time to play. Let's play the actual simulation of the game. I've got a quiz. Let me distribute all this stuff to you so you have it. We're going to